If you are new to internet marketing, you may be wondering what exactly LinkedIn is and what advantages it can offer you to improve your online presence. Many marketers use LinkedIn as their main source of leads. LinkedIn is a social media website that lets you connect with people all over the world. It's become so popular in recent years because it allows you to network with individuals who are similar to you, which is very helpful in finding business contacts. As a result, a large number of users are using LinkedIn to market their businesses. So if you have a business that needs leads, you may want to consider using LinkedIn for lead generation to help boost your business exposure. In addition to being an excellent source of potential leads, LinkedIn also offers you a free advertising service. This advertising service allows you to create a profile page where you can add any of the information that you want people to see about your business. You can also add a link to your website so that people will know where to go if they want more information about your business. If they do, they may be more likely to contact you. However, before you can get started, you need to sign up for a free account with LinkedIn. In order to sign up for a free account, you'll have to access the Create New Profile option at the top of the page. Click Create Account. You'll then have a choice of whether you want to create a professional or a less professional-looking account. Click on Create Profile, then follow the directions to fill in all the necessary information. After you have registered for a free account with LinkedIn, you will be required to log in and create an account for your business. This process is very simple and easy, but you will still have to enter some information about yourself. You can then fill in your business name, the company's name, and your business address. Once you have completed this step, click Sign Up. If you have multiple LinkedIn accounts, you will also have to complete the process for each one separately. When you create an account, you will have access to LinkedIn's marketing tools, including its in-house marketing solutions. These tools can be used to market your business through networking events, networking groups, and even blog posting. Another advantage of using this site for lead generation is that it is open to anyone who wishes to join. All business owners are free to use these resources. Even though you may want to recruit a small number of new members, you will not have to pay any money or sign any contracts. This makes it very appealing to marketers. There are several benefits to having an account on LinkedIn that other sites do not offer, including the fact that it's free. You don't have to worry about paying any fees when you sign up with this site. It also has a great number of members, making it the #1 choice for many marketers. Another benefit of LinkedIn is that it provides marketers with a place where they can interact with others who have similar interests as themselves. This means that they can meet new people, learn about their colleagues and friends, and make new contacts. If you want to learn more about someone's background, you can look him up and find out his background and how he acquired his skills. Unlike other social networking sites, LinkedIn for lead generation is completely free to use and can help you develop relationships with the people in your industry. This makes it ideal for business owners to grow their business. LinkedIn is not only free to sign up for, but it is also easy to sign up for. Because you will only need a name and email address. LinkedIn can be an effective source for lead generation for both small businesses and big businesses. Whether you are looking to recruit new employees or to your business, this is a powerful and inexpensive way to promote your company's image and services.